And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the southwest. And if you squint, this is just about an hour ago on the screen, you can see the windmills in the distance there. Just the last rays of the sunshine there. We had a few rays of sunshine, but mostly we had cloudy skies today. Right now we're at -2 degrees, and that is our daytime low. Our daytime high was 0, which we established at 2 a.m. We stayed there for a few hours and then just kind of hovered just below freezing, and now we're at -2 degrees, and we'll slide down to about -15 degrees overnight tonight. Winds are out of the northwest. They're fairly light right now. 74% humidity right now, so we do have a chance of seeing some flurry activity, but certainly not very much. Temperatures all over the province in that -single-digit range. Not bad temperatures all in all we're looking at right now. And then to the west of the Continental Divide, they're pretty much standard. And as you get into Saskatchewan, we're looking at pretty much the same values and have been for much of the day. So right across the prairies, pretty average, just kind of below average temperatures in most areas. So we'll call it average to below average temperatures. Here we're just looking at some bands of cloud moving across. We have a very large low pressure center that is and has been developing on the BC coast. Very soggy conditions in Vancouver today. It's going to be depositing snow in the upper levels on this side of the Rocky Mountains, though it looks like we'll be getting a bit of a dusting of flurry activity possibly tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. As I said to Jackie, the heavier amounts look like they're going to be tracking to the north. We're picking up some cloud cover and the odd pocket of little flurry activity just breaking apart in this flow from this system that is trying to move across the mountains from BC. But it looks like most of it is going to be staggered to the west of the Continental Divide, and we may see the odd little pocket move across. But it's interesting because the analysis maps are only indicating trace amounts of flurry activity actually making its way to the ground here in southern Alberta. And as I said, 9 centimeters are expecting. You can see in the forecaster is really duplicating that information and saying that this snow band is really going to push in to the north, but in the south really not making any headway. And that's because we do have a weak area of high pressure that's still managing to hold on in southern Alberta. So if we see anything, as I said, it should be just a dusting moving across, and all of this is not going to be with us for very long at all, as we're going to be seeing that area of high pressure redevelop for the weekend and giving us positive numbers. Down east, a big system is moving across the Great Lakes causing rain. Northern tip of that is going to cause freezing rain, possibly 10 to 15 millimeters of rain in total through the Maritimes and parts of Atlantic Canada, turning to snow in Newfoundland and Labrador. We've got freezing drizzle in Winnipeg right now, -3 degrees. Cloudy, -2, -3 in Regina and Saskatoon, -4 degrees in Edmonton right now. We've got rain on the coast that I talked about, -8 degrees in Whitehorse and cloudy skies, and -29 in Yellowknife right now. And that's almost the temperature that it's in the South Pole right now. And today, December 14th, is the 100th anniversary of Amundsen reaching the South Pole. In the East Kootenay area, you're going to have a high of -3 degrees tomorrow. Fair bit of sunshine, chance of flurries as well for you. Winds will be out of the west and not too windy tomorrow. For the Crow's Nest Pass, you're looking at a low of -13 degrees, mainly cloudy tonight. You'll have a sun and cloud mix with a chance of flurries tomorrow, -2 for a daytime high. For Medicine Hat, down to -14 tonight with a chance of flurries in your forecast for tonight. Tomorrow, a chance of morning flurries, but afternoon, nice sun and cloud mix, -3 degrees. And in Lethbridge, we're looking at mainly clear skies tonight with just some thin cloud in the mix, -15 for a low. Tomorrow, mainly cloudy skies. There is a 30% chance of flurries, west winds at 20 kilometers per hour, and -8 degrees for a high tomorrow. But look at that as we get into Friday and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Temperatures are really shaping up very nicely. That area of high pressure digs in for the weekend and lots of sunshine radiating down. Temperatures are going to be very pleasant for the weekend. That's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone.